Yo, 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 what's going on? Let's get ready to do this. Hope everybody's doing pretty good this morning. Just a disclaimer up on the screen, real quick. Right, what a beautiful day it is today that God has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. Let's go over here and take a look. Sitting on some consolidation here. As you can see, she has been pushing down. Still looking for a push to the upside from her. Gotta get my stuff set up. Wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit more drop. Let's hear her drop some before she shoots up. Still early. We're at 8:06 in the morning. Doesn't really start to get real crazy until about 8:30 Central. But, where she's moving, she may come back to this zone right here. And there's that push down, which is a 15 pip move. If she comes all the way down to that, Just keeping an eye on it. Being patient and seeing what happens. Let's see. And I make sure that I keep saying that because patience is the name of the game. That's the secret ingredients when it comes to trading. A lot of people don't realize that. Thing about trading is that the market always sets up before it makes a move. Doesn't just make a move. It'll set up and you just have to wait for the setup. Sometimes I take these trades and may have an idea of what's about to happen or what direction it's going to go or how long it may take. I don't know. So I just have to sit and wait. Sometimes it happens right away. Sometimes it doesn't. If I'm looking for a longer move, bigger move, then it's just time. And by being able to control your emotions and not letting them get the best of you, the time part gets easier and easier to deal with, the waiting process. It's maybe the push up that we're looking for. Still trying to take it up to TP9. It's 9 or 8. Can't really remember. where we had it yesterday. I'm not even sure if we're in the right chart. Let's go back and take a look, see. Here we go. Here's our push up. All right. See where we're at. I think we can run this whole play over again and change anything from yesterday. Still a good possibility for pullback activity to take place.
Daddy, everybody text you. Daddy, everybody text you.
I'll come up here with my entry. Slide these around a little bit. Let's change that. Right. See what this looks like. Just got an arrow, so we most definitely can get some more. Right, 8:19. This is where a lot of people go in the market and get tricked right here. They go in and just guess what she's going to do and go with the move. Go chasing the big pretty candles like what we see right here. And then when I call this, I called it from up top. Called this trade from here. Said that she may come down to here, which is a 45, 40 pip move. And I was in now. That's a 11 bars. Is this foolishness? What is this? Going sideways. It's not what we want to do. We do it like that. There you go. 49 pipper, tipper. Then drop to 39. So it's not bad. A lot of people come in and get a 10 and dip and they're done. Let's see on my other screen. She hit exactly there. Let's see, it's trying to match them up. Let me just go over there and take a look so you guys can see. I think this is where we originally started at. And you see, she's came down and bounced right off the zone that I was talking about. Now, see, be a good time or a good spot to make a move to the upside. We had a nice drop today. Probably even see it to come down to like this 78, 73. See where that's at over here. It's a nice move if it drops that far. So I'm gonna do this. So if I get a break pass here, then I'm looking to come in short it. Got about 3 minutes for opening bell. Let's just let's get nosy and snoop around a little bit, see what else is going on in the market. See what UJ is doing. Been looking to see UJ take off from the buy. It's been consolidating a little bit, but nevertheless, still moving up at a nice little pullback, then a good push up. So at this point, we've broken our previous high. Nice resistance from the sellers pushing the market back down, but the buyers are like, not having it up a little higher. Sellers pushing it back down, and at this point, the buyers are like, not having it. So you could see where our entry would have been on this. We got in after this candle close, took it in. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, it was about a 20 pip, 21 pip trade. And still going. So UJ likes to see a lot of wicks over here. One more minute before opening bell. Let's get back over here and see what's happening with the 30-30. Here's our push up. We get up. I'm thinking what's going on now is a nice little fake out to make me think it's going to push up. I think it's going to push down. The market gets real tricky at this point. So but it looks like a strong push to the downside. I think this sale is going to be the way to move for today. Yeah, going for a sale from here is what I think is going to be pretty. We got to push up from opening bell, which is great. I didn't get a chance to say it, but I was going to say this is where my entry would be. But it's fine. Sometimes you just take a trade, or sometimes you just kind of sit and watch if you're not sure. This could easily be the move here, and then push down very hard for a sale. But at this time of the morning, it's like riding a bull. You're not really sure which way. she's going to take off and what she's going to do. So I didn't really have enough time today to get in here and take a look at the market before doing the Zoom or the YouTube, wherever you're following from. But I'm still going with my feeling here for this move. There's a bigger move that could easily take place. And this will get you 15, 20 pips. Two minutes more on this candle. I am going to put that here, and then I'm going to drop another one for the entry. See if we can get a bell ring this morning. I'm moving kind of slow. And I don't think we're going to hear it. Let's see. Y'all know I like to hear the bell ring. Here we go. It's about to be smashed. The way she's pushing, LL Cool J will come in again and say, "Rock the bells." So, see if we can get a push down here. Well, here comes the drama. Looks like we've got a little drop off. It's about to happen. People love this action right here because it's so fast. I think I like to say the fast move a lot of times is a false move. All right, we've got our push down. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Can already smell the TP. I can already smell the pips being cooked right now. Looks like we are having sauteed pips with mushrooms. I've already posted in my Facebook group how far we're going to take this trade down. First thing that you want to do is be sure to check out the news in the morning or whenever. And there isn't much volatility in the market this morning. I do see we do have some low impact news coming in about 20 minutes. That shouldn't stop us from smacking a couple of lines around here in the chart. Get our pipper and dipper. Substract reason, y'all, I'm sorry, I forgot to add the bell, and TP has just been smacked around. As you can see, she came right in and took the bait. She came in and took the bait. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Say cheese. Give me a quick picture. It's great. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, that's it. That's what we do. It's done. We in and out in the group. Be sure to check and you see how far she's going to drop. Put it in the group. If you are not part of the Facebook group, and you like to catch some of these moves, I am going to drop it in the chat. I got a couple in the chat. Here on Facebook. Thank everybody for coming in and joining and watching this morning. Appreciate you. What a beautiful day it is. The good Lord has allowed us to see today. So make the best of this day. Do not sit around and complain about what didn't happen. If it didn't go the way you wanted it to go today, then you are in control and can change it. We do not have to sit and mope in our circumstances, no matter what they are. We don't have to deal with it. We turn it over, we put it in God's hand, and we keep pushing. We keep pushing. But when I started this, it was not what you see now. So with some time and a lot of prayer, God has blessed me to be able to help a lot of people. So I'm going to, open it up. If you have questions or comments, let me know. Hit me up. If there's something that you want to take a look at, let me know. Drop it in the chat. You can. Check before a signal. This might be the one we're waiting. It doesn't take much. Like, you'll see me sometimes come in and do multiple trades or multiple TPs. But to come in and start small is where it's at. Hit the small trades consistently and get up out of there. Grow your account. Grow your account slowly, slowly, slowly. And then when the opportunity presents itself for you to take those larger trades and those bigger setups, then you're ready for it. So let's see. Sitting watching US 30. Take a quick look at NAS 100. Beautiful play she's setting up for. You can see NAS 100 had a push down. Great, beautiful, boom. And then recovering. Market is playing out beautiful. It's really nice the way she's moving. And as long as the market's not consolidating, even if it's consolidating, sometimes it's still beautiful to see what's actually going on and happening. But that's about it. Let's see, let me double check and see if I have messages. UJ smacked the TP. It's beautiful. We got that one. We want to see what else happened. I wonder if I caught anything else. Just kind of go through. So you can hit me up on Telegram if it's certain pairs that you want to see me trade or watch. Just kind of let me know. And I'll take a look at that for you. See where we at with news. Got 8 minutes for news, and I'll be out of here by then. So I'm actually going to wrap it up a little early. Thank y'all very much for watching. Very much for joining me, seeing what I do. I just want to encourage you today before you leave and just say, please, 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 please guard your mind, guard your thoughts, protect yourself from your own thoughts. Whenever you get negative thoughts creeping up on you, shake them off, because negativity is not of God. Negativity is not of God. Okay? You know that God has instilled in you positivity. He wants greatness for you. When you start thinking you can't, whether it's something like trading or get past something you're dealing with, through the loss of a loved one, the devil wants you to be in that dark, lonely place with your head down, feeling depressed. It's not of God. What God wants you to do is accept his will, and we know that his will shall be done. We make that prayer and we say that, it changes the way that we feel. We have to accept it. It's something that neither one of us can avoid or run from. So do not allow disappointment to keep you in a place of doubt. Give it to God. Let it go. Move on. Because you can do anything you put your mind to. I've only been trading for 3 years, and 6 months in, maybe 4 months in, I prayed to God to help me with this. And for the 4th month, I had a strategy and an indicator. And it's unreal. Something I most definitely couldn't do on my own. So I give credit where credit is due, to God. Didn't happen overnight. It was through patience, but he gave me what I needed to understand and get to a point of being comfortable doing this. All right. Y'all keep that in mind. And before I leave you, I will leave you with a short position. Nice 10 on GBP USD. I'll put a bell on there so we can get that rock for the entry. My entry, put a bell on it, and then drop my TP down. Sorry. Got all my tools bunched up together. And then I could change this if I want to and just put TP. So that's great. So I don't even have to really look at the trade. And that's how I kind of do stuff. I just wait for my alerts. So I'm not going to sit here and watch this. There we go. All right, y'all. Y'all have a blessed day. And I'll be looking forward to seeing y'all tomorrow.